guys, my name is BroZGC, and as you can see, we're BroZGC games, mobile games. As you can see, we are playing SimCity Bill, and let's start our first one tonight.
Mardunsa.
Team Ipsa.
This job will connect to the highway, and now Sims can go to your city.
Simto. Zach. Lordship.
The sun is ready for the church. You have the yellow hard hats. So I have to say this.
Zach.
I like how fast we build and how we can build.
Yahoo!
Okay, it's a lot of fireworks.
Simto. Mardunsa. Simto.
Now let's make some nails. Tap to build to place.
Zach. Lordship.
Nice work. Now let's use those nails to build more houses.
Zach. Simto.
See, at first you have a lot of stuff, like a lot of cash and a lot
Lordship.
of civilians, but then like once you start really gaining,
Simto.
you have like barely enough money to build it. It's scary enough.
Tell us. We flirt. Sivalu.
Lordship. Zach. Lordship Mardunsa. Simto. Mardunsa.
It's all over the thing. Look what I'm trying to do. Doesn't like me.
Simto. Lordship. Mardunsa. Zach.
I know they ain't gonna be happy about it.
Simto. Lordship. Zach.
Build home there, Simone. Building home for her and you, Simoleons, and bring the first to the next level. Whatever.
Oh!
Oh!
Pull some ribs.
Orca.
How'd it go?
This is like, if you put in months of work of this is how your city will look like if you have work. Like, a lot of it. Look at this. I mean, like, bro.
How'd it go? How'd it go?
Freak, look at this.